for the women 35 and older, and if you're not 35 or older, please scroll away. It's not for you, okay? I'm gonna show you how to have the best skin of your life. It's a nighttime routine. Pretty much anyone can do it. It seems very expensive, but I swear to you, it is not. You're gonna wanna favorite this to come back to later because I swear to you, I'm gonna save you so much money. And I'm almost 42. I have almost no wrinkles. My hyperpigmentation that I used to have has faded significantly. I have literally no makeup on right now. I have just freshly washed my face. There's nothing going on here, okay? When the face is totally clean, you're gonna go in with Tretinoin first, or I'm going in with Tretinoin. If you don't have Tretinoin, a lot of people will go to the dermatologist. They will spend a lot of money getting the appointment, trying to figure out like what the copay is, whatever. I think it's a waste. I think it is a big waste. You can get Tretinoin for like 29 bucks, okay? And there is no reason to pay more than that. You don't have to leave home. Like, it's a whole big thing. And if you want help getting it really cheap, just let me know. I will walk you through that process. But in the meantime, we're starting with this. And they say pea-size amount, but like, what's a pea, right? So I'm showing you what I use. I do a small dab here, a small dab here, a little here, here, and the neck. Okay, we're closing this little tube right up. And all of this is rubbed into the freshly washed face. Put a little too much on the forehead, but I skip my eyes. If you do your eyes, they will get really dry and flaky. Now, everyone has different opinions about like the amount of times per week that you should put Tretinoin. For me, 5 nights is good, but I worked my way up there. Okay, now the trick is you're letting that sink into the skin, really get in there for a minute or two. Let's put our hair up, and then we're gonna move on, and the next part is going to blow your mind. Okay, part 2, you can totally skip this if you want, but for me, it has worked wonders. And again, this is another prescription product. I am not suggesting you do this. I'm telling you I do this. I'm not telling you to do it. But this is a little bit of topical estrogen cream. Typically, it's prescribed as an internal thing. We can talk about that another time if you want to. But I will tell you that it makes skin 1,000 times nicer wherever it is. A little bit in the palm of my hand, and then I mix it with, I have this Dr. Althea cream. I will link that below if you're interested. You see, that's enough. Like, we're talking a dime size amount with the estrogen cream. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm telling you that's what I'm doing. Mix them together. And honestly, if you're younger or you don't have access to the estrogen cream or you feel like you don't want to do that, you don't need that step. I just feel like it works for me. Okay, then we're waiting another like 2-3 minutes, letting all of that absorb. Also, please don't forget here, it's important, very thin skin. By the way, the Dr. Althea cream, I think it's like 20 bucks for a tube and it lasts a long time. And it's a Korean product. It works really nicely, very hydrating, great for perimenopausal skin. But I don't want to lie to you. Sometimes I switch that one up because if something is on sale and has great ingredients, then I'm going to do that. Last layer is this French pharmacy product. It's a vein and it is so good. It is not expensive. A giant tube will last a long time. Okay, look. We're going to put a little bit on each cheek, the forehead, the chin, and really, I'm not using a lot for each spot. You see that? And then, I lost that one. Neck, décolleté. Now, it's going to look a little crazy, so bear with me, okay? It's going to rub in, and it will look a little bit aggressive. But when you wake up in the morning, you will have the nicest glass skin of your entire life. So if you have a partner and you share a bed, I hope they like ghosts, okay? It's all rubbed in. I'm not suggesting that you do every single one of these steps or any of them actually. I'm just telling you what I do. And if you need information on how to access those prescriptions really easy, cheap, and without like getting off your ass and going to a doctor, let me know.